going to be very simple. As I told you guys in the last class, this time we are going to learn how to write comments and we are going to understand what a comment's used for. So coming back to the code, let's say if you're going to revisit this code after a few months and you want to understand why did you write this div tag over here. How are you going to understand that? You're not going to remember. You'll just have to guess why you used it. For instances like these, and because when your web page code is going to become very complex with 1,000 lines of code and different hundreds of files, it will become very difficult for you to track why you did a particular thing and what a particular, let's say a piece of code means. Or especially when a third person is going to revisit your code and understand when you hire a new developer or when your friend is going through your code or if you open source it and other people are going through your code, they will have a very hard time understanding what you tried to do there. So to solve this problem, we use comments in our code. This is how we write a comment. We start with the open angle bracket, we give an exclamation mark, and then we give double dash. And then the comment has started. So I'll mention why we have written this div over here. We have written this div to create a group of element. And then we'll create double dash and close angle bracket. So guys, this is just an example of comment that we can write. And if you're going to revisit this code after, let's say, even a month, you'll understand that this div has just been written to demonstrate how to create a group of elements. But this comment is not going to be visible on the web page. So when I refresh it, it's not going to be visible. It's just meant to be a part of the code for you to read when you come back and edit your code, or for other people when they're editing your code. I hope you understand that.